Ram aims to steal some of Ford's electric truck thunder. I saw the Ford guy, Farley. He was over there saying, we're going to beat Tesla. He said, we love Tesla. We're going to beat Tesla. It's a great competition. I don't know if you saw that or not, Will, but look, man, this is good, man. Come on, Will.
Competition?
You want all these trucks. I want one of each.
Yeah.
Or I want the best one. Or I want one for 1 year, and then 5 years later, I want the other one. Like, this is beautiful stuff. Shout out Mohit. Appreciate it. Ram teased its upcoming electric 1500 pickup truck, which is scheduled to go into production in fall 2022. The new electric truck is expected to be one of the first major long-range EVs to come out of Stellantis. That's the parent company, Ram. The multinational conglomeration formed last year as Fiat Chrysler merged with the French PSA Group. The decision to tease the electric Ram 1500 is clearly a shot at Ford, which is set to begin customer deliveries of its hotly anticipated F-150 Lightning truck this week.
That's so crazy to me.
Time to steal some thunder, the tweet from Ram reads. Unleashing fall 2022, ramrevolution.com. Hit the play button, Willie Do.
Whoa, very epic. Oh, cool.
Are those ram horns? Revolution. Ram. Revolution. That's me being the guy from Dune. You know which guy, Will? The movie Dune. Shout out, Raphael. Texan diligent driver here, part of the community.
Wow, shout out.
We are here for the drivers. If you're on the road, we're with you. If you're on the couch, we're with you. If you're in bed, we're with you. We'll go back to the Ram thing. You like that one, Mo?
If we're in bed with
Are you in bed? I'm with you.
Oh.
In bed with you. It's funny, though, that in the car is okay. On the couch is okay.
Yep.
In bed, Mo gets uncomfortable. He's like, can I have the bed at least? I'm like, no. I'm with you.
all the time.
Wherever you are. Go ahead. Can you just give me that sound again, please, real quick? Yeah, give me that. Yeah. Welcome to Revolution. I'm from
Sounds like you're sick.
Shout out Pedro. No, I'm the guy in Dune, man. The guy who was bathing in the liquid.
Yeah.
I haven't seen the movie, so.
That's his name?
Skarsgård.
No, I want to know the name of his family or his group. House. It's House. What is it? House something or other. Well, they're all houses. House, not Atreides. Harkonnen. I'm Harkonnen. I was the Harkonnen guy, right? Yes. Yeah. Shout out Ari Samuel. You knew what I was talking about, man. That's right.
Yeah, Skarsgård.
Is that his name? Okay, it's fine. I just wanted I needed the name of the thing.
He's floating around.
Yes, he's the emoji I need when I eat too much.
Yeah.
That's my guy. That was the best. Robe. Either he's the best character or the old woman nun type thing that visits. Did you guys watch this movie?
Not me.
Oh my God, this movie is good.
You haven't watched it, Mo?
No, I haven't.
All the other stuff is stupid if you didn't watch that. This thing is good. This thing, visually speaking?
Yeah, I thought you would be all over it.
Will, this thing, visually speaking, you put that on,
I know.
You're somewhere else, man. The atmosphere of it, you're somewhere else, man.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll give it a watch.
You don't...
No, I will.
You won't have to hit us with that passive aggression like that.
Well, what did he say? He said...
You don't have to do that to us, man.
That's you if you eat
This
too
is
much.
me. This is me. You understand? No, I like the one where I'm in the liquid over there. Yeah, that's me. That's me. Like if I like didn't get enough sleep and I wake and
That's you.
If I was drinking or something like that, and this is how I wake up in the morning.
Just covered in black liquid.
Yes. Yes. And then my family.
Emerging.
No, my family comes in
Yeah.
and like, it's time to get up. We got to go to school. And I'm
And
like,
that's your face.
what?
So traumatizing for your family.
Dad, your bed turned into a bathtub full of black liquid.
This is the first time they're seeing it.
Yeah. So there's that guy. That guy is good. That guy is maybe favorite, but then you also got old lady.
You said none?
Old nun kind of lady. You right there, far left, top.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
What an outfit.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
What does that mean? All right. Are you hitting us with the passive aggressiveness again?
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Oh, you think we're spoiling?
Huh?
You think we're spoiling?
Well, no, but just these costumes are really cool.
You think we're spoiling?
A little bit. Well, I said I'm going to watch it.
I know, but no one believed you.
Oh, okay.
No one in the chat
It
believed
was
you.
too passive.
Yeah, no one in the chat believed you.
Definitely check it out, Mo. Highly recommend it.
No one in the chat believed you.
Well, I promised the chat I'll watch it.
Okay. Where you going? Where you going, Will?
Oh,
We were on the Ram truck, fall
over the
2022. It is time. Well,
This show is all over the place.
it's
What do you want?
it is meant to. Being all over the place is being in the right place.
Yes, I
Okay?
agree.
Okay,
This is a test.
that's right. You
This
gotta
is
listen.
the ultimate test.
You gotta stay on track.
Yeah.
You gotta go off track to stay on track. You gotta go off track to stay on track. You gotta
You
go.
mean to get back on track?
You gotta get outside the comfort zone.
Mm-hmm. That's true. You do got to get out of the comfort zone.
So
This is what they have to do. Ram has to do this. This is outside their comfort zone,
Yeah.
and they got to figure it out. And it's not a lot of time before people get their electric trucks.
Yeah. And Ford is, man, moving quick.
Can you believe it? We had it in here. We're like, I don't know when it's gonna actually come out.
Exactly. I was like, this is going to take forever.
Mm-hmm.
April.
Mm-hmm.
Already releasing it.
Mm-hmm.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, they're
Well
building
done
it
for
right now.
Ford. Yeah.
No, Ford is here to play.
Yeah.
If I'm Elon, I'm
And they
looking.
know how to make cars already.
If I'm Elon,
yeah,
I'm looking at
yeah.
Ford. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
you guys here to play.
Earlier, we were talking about infrastructure, and wow, they already have it.
Yeah. So Ram's got to figure it out. Ram's got a good truck going on right now. They keep truck of the
Yeah.
year, this and that. They got their fans. I mean, this is key to this group, Stellantis. Like, this is big picture for them. Big
Right.
stuff. And
What do you think about the shape? Because they've been like slowly teasing things, right? Just with like a few lines here and there.
well, they have to do something like Lightning where it's still a truck.
Yeah.
Like, you can't go Cybertruck
no.
if you're Ram.
Uh-huh.
So I hope it's some little kind of electrification stylings. Like,
Okay.
oh, it is the future.
Uh-huh.
But then at the same time, you have truck profile.
it's
yeah.
still got to look like a truck.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
I'm
saying.
actually liking the divots, like these.
Yeah.
It seems like it's gonna have like a mean look to it.
It looks pretty mean.
Yeah.
It
well, I
looks-
mean, I want to see it in full light, but it looks. Oh, there's a website.
Well, no, they're not showing you anymore, but I think you can sign up for updates
Oh,
or
I see,
whatever,
I see.
but yeah. Or you can buy a current RAM, which
Okay.
I don't know if you're in the
Good.
market for that.